Are you tired of your blender leaving you with lumpy smoothies and chunky soups? It's time to trade up to the best blenders on the market. These powerhouse machines can turn kale and pineapple into the creamiest of smoothies and effortlessly crush ice for the perfect frozen margarita. Get ready to say goodbye to raspberry seeds and hello to velvety soups, silky smoothies, and so much more. Let's blend our way to Flavor Town. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Ninja Professional Blender, our pick for best budget blender. If you're on the hunt for a blender that's as sharp as a ninja's blade, minus the whole sneaky ninja part, then let me introduce you to the Ninja high-speed model. Picture this: 3 sharp blades stacked up like a blender skyscraper ready to crush ice, puree veggies, and waltz through any smoothie challenge you throw at it. And guess what? The blade piece is removable for easy cleaning. Just be sure to handle it with care because those blades mean business. Now, let's talk about the BPA-free pitcher with a handy pour spout. It's like having a built-in bartender for your smoothies and frozen concoctions. With a 1000-watt motor under the hood, this blender is powerful. Just brace yourself for a bit of a blender symphony. Oh, and the cherry on top? Once you've whipped up your culinary creation, you can just toss the pitcher, lid, and blade assembly in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. It's like the blender fairy heard your dishwashing prayers. So whether you're blending up a storm or just want a trusty sidekick in the kitchen, the Ninja high-speed model is ready to slice, dice, and blend its way into your heart. Upgrade your blending game with this beast. You won't regret it. Ready, set, blend away! Number 4. KitchenAid K150, our pick for best blender for occasional use. Hey there, wannabe chefs and smoothie enthusiasts on a budget. We get it. Not everyone is willing to drop a couple Benjamins, let alone hit the 400 mark just to blend some stuff up. Sporting a compact 48-ounce jar and a sleek low profile, the K150 may be the runt of the blender litter, but don't let its size fool you. While it may churn out slightly chunkier creations compared to its pricier counterparts, it'll still get the blending job done without breaking the bank. Just remember, it's not built to take on the heavy-duty blending tasks. Push it too far, and you might be shopping for a new blender sooner than you hoped. Now, we won't sugarcoat it. The warranty game is where the K150 reveals its true colors. Clocking in at just 1 year, it's not exactly the Fort Knox of blender protection plans. But hey, think of it as a trust exercise in your relationship with this little blender that could. Snag the KitchenAid K150 if you're looking for a versatile kitchen companion that won't hog the counter space. It may not be the flashiest or the most robust, but it's reliable, compact, and well within your budget. Who says blending can't be a thrifty adventure, right? Still searching for the perfect blender? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cleanblend Commercial, our pick for best blender with powerful motor. Alright, listen up smoothie enthusiasts who dream of a blender that doesn't cost as much as a moon rock but still packs a punch. Meet the 1800-watt Cleanblend blender. Think of it as the rebellious younger sibling who's not afraid to challenge the big boys like Vitamix. With a motor that could probably grind concrete, please don't try that. This blender turns berry seeds and ice into a smoothie so creamy, you'll wonder if you accidentally made a milkshake. The Cleanblend doesn't waste time with flashy preset buttons. It's here to blend, not put on a light show. Admittedly, its speed settings might not have the nuance of a sommelier describing wine, but who needs that when you've got power in your hands? And speaking of hands, the jar's Triton plastic is sturdy enough to handle whatever you throw at it while sporting a handle that's comfier than your favorite socks. Sure, it may not come with the longest warranty out there, but we've put this blender through the ringer. Not literally, we're not that cruel. And it's still standing tall after 5 years of non-stop action. So if you want a blender that can kick butt without emptying your wallet completely, the Cleanblend might just be your new best friend. It's like the action hero of blenders, ready to blend anything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Number 2. Breville X BLUSER, our pick for best blender for juice. Looking to blend juice or both without needing a degree in complicated appliance assembly? Enter the ultimate Bluicer. Yes, it's a thing, and yes, you need it in your life. This genius gadget seamlessly transitions from extracting fresh juice to whipping up a smoothie with the flick of a switch. Why waste precious time on assembly manuals when you could be sipping on a nutrient-packed elixir in no time? Let's talk about versatility. This blender juicer marvel wears many hats, or jugs, all built into one sleek design. No need to clutter your kitchen with unnecessary parts when this blender does it all. Plus, the intuitive setup makes it ideal for juicing newbies or anyone hesitant to fully commit to a life of liquid greens. Whether you're a juice skeptic or a seasoned smoothie aficionado, this Bluicer will have you wondering how you ever survived without it. Sure, it may hit your wallet a bit harder than some other options, but think of it as an investment in your daily health and happiness. And did we mention it arrives fully assembled, ready to rock your juicing world from the get-go? Skip the frustration of DIY assembly and jump straight into juicing bliss. Say goodbye to bland store-bought drinks and hello to the vibrant flavors of your own creations. Go ahead, treat yourself. Your taste buds will thank you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Vitamix Explorian E310, our pick for best blender overall. If you've been smitten by the timeless charm of Vitamix classics like the 5200 Standard or the Professional Series 750, well, hold on to your oven mitts, because the Vitamix Explorian E310 is here to whisk you off your feet all over again. This sleek machine boasts 10 variable speeds that can turn berries and bananas into silky dreams and whip up the creamiest mayo you've ever laid taste buds on. And guess what? It even has a pulse setting for those moments when you want an extra dash of zing in your concoctions. While the 48-ounce container may not be the biggest on the block, it's just right for most blending adventures, and its squat shape means it's a shoo-in for those low-clearance cabinets in your kitchen. Plus, the included tamper and lid are dishwasher safe, because why should cleaning up after culinary genius be any less fabulous? In a nutshell, the Vitamix Explorian E310 blends the signature Vitamix excellence with a dash of user-friendly design and a sprinkle of extra versatility. So whether you're a smoothie savant, a nut butter wizard, or just a kitchen superstar in the making, this blender is here to make your culinary journey even more enticing. Who knew blending could be this smooth? That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best blenders. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which blender you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.